Oh, we're in the most beautiful places we've ever seen.
That's right.
Let me show you guys.
In Mexico.
Check it out, guys. Whoa. La cascada de qué?
De Basaseachi. Basaseachi. Basaseachi.
Basaseachi. The waterfall of Basaseachi.
You're gonna bring tourists over here?
Right? Jaslyn. What's up, Daniel? But yeah, this place is awesome. Right, babe?
Hi. And guess what? Today, Luis hiked up a huge boulder and is up here, like, I don't know, I'm going to say 3,000 feet
Yeah,
high.
this is a huge boulder here.
But he did it.
A little scared, but it's worth it, though. This is awesome. Look at this, guys.
Look at the view. I'm in love.
Whoa. My goodness gracious. If I dropped my phone from here, how would it look for you guys? No, you guys will never find it.